you were born between December 22nd through January 19th, you're considered a Capricorn. So what are Capricorn sexual desires? I'm going to go over a few of them coming up. If you haven't met before, my name is Johann. In this channel, you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because I almost bust my ass just now, and a sub will be nice. Sex is a priority to Capricorns. They tend to view it as a very dangerous addiction. So when they're into someone and their sexuality is awakened, they can be fantastic lovers. Capricorns are very loyal. Once they're into you, that's it. They can be very rational, like really rational. They want respect and admiration. And if they don't have it, they're gonna be cranky as fuck. They want to succeed just to be praised. So if they're making love to you, just know that they're giving it their all. They want to be appreciated for it. They want to be like, damn, babe, did good. It's very challenging to get a Capricorn to loosen up. But when they do, it's like joy, oh joy. Capricorns love to schedule their sex, even masturbation down to the finest detail. They are great at multitasking. They love to figure out if they can have their workout in while having sex, or role-playing could be a way to express a certain situation. When it comes to the best sex for Capricorns, we're talking about Virgos and Scorpios. Bam, bitch. If you want to know more about horoscopes and their sexual desires, I made a whole ass playlist that you can check out for each one. So if you want to figure out what Scorpios likes and you want to know what turns them on, you can definitely give that video a watch. Watch, apply, and stay safe. Because I'm playing that bullshit.